Using the 6 words, so we are going to frame one nice conversation here. Conversation happening between daughter and father. Okay, assume actually the daughter age is 35 and father's age is 60, and daughter is actually nicely she is taking care of father. So now we can see daughter says, Appa, nimge coffee beka. That means, do you want coffee? So that is nimge is aapko, Telugu, meeku, Tamil, ungalukku. And father says, Beda. That means don't want. Nange, coffee beda. I don't want coffee. So nange means for me. मुझको या मुझे बोलते हैं. And daughter says, Appa, nimge tea beka. Nimage is the full word. You use it as nimge. Nimge is enough. Okay. Nimge tea beka. Do you want tea? Father says, Beku. You know what is beku? Want. Nange ginger tea beku. I want ginger tea. Nanage is the full word. N-A-N-A-G-E. Skip that fourth letter A. It looks like nange. Looks like native speaker. And then daughter says, Appa, nimge dose beka? Do you want dosa? Father says, Beda. I don't want. And then daughter says, Appa, nimge idli beka? Do you want idli? Kya aapko idli chahiye? Okay. Father says, Beku. I want. Nange masale idli beku. I want masala idli. Okay. See, just the 6 words. One is the appa, and then beku, and then beda, and then beka, and then nimage, and then nanage. Okay. I hope this would be useful for you all. Please write your valuable comments. Let me see if we can actually do something much better for you to get it easily. If these videos can be helpful to you, then I can do many more the videos like this so that you can get it easily per day. 6 words, isn't it? Namaste to all. Ellargu namaskara. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe. Okay, and please share our videos to all your friends also if you feel the video is helpful to learn the language.